I am going to demonstrate how to work a tubular bind off on 1x1 ribbing. This is very similar to the Kitchener stitch in that it's a 4-step process, and you're going in and out of the stitches. You're going to need to give yourself a tail that is at least 3 times as long as you're knitting, plus about another 6 or 7 inches so that you have plenty of tail to work in your loose end once you're finished. So we're going to start off holding our knitting in our left hand, and we're going to insert the needle as if to knit into the first stitch. We'll pull that through and snug but not tight, slip that stitch off the needle. The second step is to go into the second stitch away from the end of the needle purlwise. And of course we're leaving this one on because it's the second stitch. Next we go into the first stitch purlwise. And we're going to slip that off the needle. Then we go behind our knitting and we come in between the 2 stitches, and we're going to go into the second stitch knitwise. Okay, that is the 4 steps. So step 1, go into the first stitch knitwise and slip it off. Step 2 is go into the second stitch purlwise. Step 3 is go into the first stitch purlwise and slip it off. Step 4 is to go behind your knitting in between the first and second stitch. And we're going to go into this stitch knitwise. So that is the 4 steps. We'll repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, we're to our last 2 stitches. And we're going to slip it in to the first stitch on the needle knitwise and slip it off. With 1 stitch left, we go in purlwise and slip it off. And that is the tubular bind off.